Welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn one of the most important functions in Excel called image lookup. Image lookup helps the user get the corresponding image related to value selected. In this example, we will be using two other functions called index and match. Index function. The Microsoft Excel index function returns a value in a table based on the intersection of row and a column position within that table. Match function. The match function searches for a specified item in a range of cells and then returns the relative position of that item in that range. If you are looking for a student's name, you will get the student's photo along with other details like first name, last name, parent's name, marks, address, etc. If you are looking for a product details, you will get the product details like photo along with other details like revenue, profit, sales, tax, customer, region, etc. In this example, if we select lion, we will get the details like region and image of the lion. If we select tiger, we will get the details like region and image of the tiger. You can mix and match multiple functions to get the best result. In this example, we have headers like animal name, place, and image. You can select any image of your choice from your device or from online sources. Now, let's try this example. We will use two formulas here, index and match. Let's insert 4 images using the insert image function under insert tab. In this case, we already have 4 images. Rename the header based on your images. We have the header names as animal name and place. In the N3 row, let's create a list. Click on N3 row. Click on Data tab. Click on Data Validation. In the drop-down, select List and select the data series as J3 to J6 and press OK. Now, we have the drop-down list created. Now, in row O3, let's enter the formula index and match equals index, open bracket, select data series K3 to K6, comma, insert match formula, open bracket, select the row N3, comma, select data series J3 to J6, comma, input 0 to get the exact match and close bracket. This formula is not complete as we need to enter the constant function as this is a dynamic formula. Select K3 to K6 in the formula and press keys F1 plus F4. Now select N3 in the formula and press key F1 plus F4. And finally select J3 to J6 in formula and press key F1 plus F4. Press enter. Now we can see the constant function being inserted into the formula with a $sign. Now we need to look up the image based on this formula. Click on the image. Click on the row. Under formula, click on define name. In name, enter an image name. We are naming it as image underscore lookup. Under refer to, copy paste the same formula used in O3 and press OK. Now the formula is complete. If you select lion under drop down, you will get lion image and region details. If you select elephant, you will get elephant image and region details. Simple as that. Well, here ends this tutorial. Learn more from the next tutorial.